Hello guys, myself Darshan here, studying Science and Engineering in Information Science Department in BNMIT. Actually, I am doing this video to explain regarding the CC assignment of deploying a website in different cloud platforms. We like the platforms available to host a website is Microsoft Azure, AWS, Amazon Web Service, and Infinity Free as well. The Heroku. I prefer to use the Infinity Free, which is the most reliable and easy to use. And one more thing is it doesn't require any card information like debit card, credit card, as we can expect in this from AWS and in Microsoft Azure. Okay, those Infinity Free. I use it Infinity Free. In this Infinity Free website, the user has to first sign up into the Infinity Free before hosting any website. After logging into the account, the user has to create their own account. The name which is to be given as based on the project they are deploying, and they gave different domain extensions. They have to use any of them, and after doing this, they need to upload their files into the server. After they can host a website. After uploading the website, they may be hosted. Okay. I created one. I hosted my website in Infinity Free. This is the Blood Bank website. In this Infinity Free, we can get a control panel, file manager. In control panel, in control panel, the different MySQL databases, remote MySQL, register MySQL databases, all different databases are available. As well, domains are available for those who need for different domains. We need to pay the amount, and email information, email accounts are available. Security issues, SSL, TLS are available. I use my MySQL database to connect to the backend in my website, and these are all the account details: username, password, and these are the FTP username, password, host name, and the port we use it. This is the MySQL details. This is the website I hosted in Infinity Free cloud platform, that is Blood Bank. In this website, I created the database of the different blood groups available in the different hospitals. That is the different blood groups in different hospitals. The patient can get the information easily by searching here what the blood group he wanted. See, you can get the AB plus blood group in Gandhi Hospital, which is at Delhi, and the hospital phone number also given. They can contact them and get the blood easily. The first, the user needs to register if they don't have the account in the website, and after registering, he can get login into the account. This is the hospital login. This is the receiver login. The username is test has been logged in. If he wants the A plus blood group, he can search in the website. It will show the available blood group in which hospital it is available. He can request a sample from here, or else he can contact the hospital. Already it is accepted. Once again he requested for the blood. He can request a sample from here, or else can contact the hospital from the phone number given here. These are all the requesting the hospital to get the blood. Okay. Okay. This is the what I have explained is the receiver login. Now I am explaining the hospital login. Okay. These are all the blood groups which is available at the Gandhi hospital. Even the hospital can also request another hospital to get the blood sample as in the some extreme conditions. They can add the blood information they have for the patients to get the blood easily, and blood request. These are all the requests from the patient as well as the hospitals. If they want to accept the request, they can accept and donate the blood to the patients or else the hospital. If they want to reject, they can reject it here also. Okay, you have accepted here. The request from the test has been accepted and and donated the blood to him. Elsewhere they can reject it. Rejected. The request from the test has been rejected. The notification will go to the result when we log into the test. We can get the acknowledgement from this Gandhi hospital. See. When you log in into the username with the test, okay, blood groups. Now see, the status is rejected. The Gandhi hospital rejected the request from the test to get the blood group B plus. See, the status is rejected. It means they don't wanted to give the blood group to the username test. That's it. Here the guys, this is the platform which acts like an intermediate between the patients and the hospital, because the patient for getting the blood group in an emergency situation, it is very difficult if the particular hospital in the surrounding region they don't have the blood group they wanted. So in this platform, the different hospitals can put information of the available blood samples in their own hospitals, and the user by logging into this platform can get the blood group available in the different hospitals information easily, and then contact the hospitals and get the blood easily, as well as the different hospitals who wants the blood immediately can get the information and can get the blood easily from another hospital. Okay, like this application will help for the public most efficiently, I think. Okay guys, thank you.